Hello, this is Terry Bates from My God-Given Talent. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, I want to pop in today. I am making a Juneteenth shirt, and it has 3 different parts to it that's going to be separate. Different colors. I'm doing vinyl, and it's hard to place because you want it to look just like the design that you advertise, but you have to line these up perfectly. And so all the measurement stuff is just taking too much time. I have to do a couple of these and I don't have the type of time, so came up with a quick way to do it. So I have a piece of transparency here. I got it, I printed it on my inkjet printer, but you can buy transparency for inkjet or laser. Just make sure you get the correct one for your printer. And I printed the design out here. Make sure it's the same size as what you cut out. And so the shirt, I folded the shirt in half and creased it down the middle. That's how I always do my center. I'm going to start off with the red. But the key thing here is that you should be able to line the transparency up with your template here. And then you won't have to guess at the spacing. And even this is like a little bit off. I don't know if I printed the exact same size because I thought of this after I had cut it. But it's pretty much close now. So I always do my 3 fingers for the 3 inches from the top. That's a quick way of doing that. You can also add an X on this so that you know the center of the design. I just made a little, I just pinched it right there in the middle before I started. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna press that down, and then see the transparency will just slide off, and then you have your that part of your design left. And as you all may know, you just do a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because you have to press it more than once. There we go. So that's done. Put this in the trash. And grab my template. Next, we're going to have the yellow piece because the green piece goes on top, if you can see from the design. So you can imagine trying to put the red, the yellow wide enough for this to fit in perfectly. That will be a nightmare, which I was experiencing. So I was like, oh my goodness. And you can also just print this out all black. That will help too, because looking at this yellow, it's kind of hard to line up, but it's much easier than what I was doing before. So what we're going to do, I had to line the red up with the red at the top so that you make sure you're putting it in place. All right, press. It'll stick to the shirt. Pull this off. And let me check it one more time just to make sure. This is my, I've done this once before. So I'm still getting kind of used to it, but it looks good. There's the yellow. Oh, this is it's called sun yellow, and I love this yellow. The regular yellow, this is just a wheat vinyl, looks very pale to me, so I like the sun yellow, it's called. All right, line up my green and put this up here. The yellow and red should line up as well. Press down. Take it off. It looks great, guys. Alright, I'm gonna do mine. I like to do a tap this time too, because sometimes you can get a crease from this and the other ones you've already pressed. I want to make sure it's flat and there's like no imprint in the letter. So now I'm going to do the full 15 seconds. I have my heat press set on 315. And I use around 315, 320 because sometimes I'm using glitter vinyl and that 320 is required if I'm combining the two vinyls. All right. It's done. It's done. And it looks good. See, it's all lined up perfectly. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope this tip helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Again, I'm Terry Bates with a God-Given Talent. And my website information is in the description. And I also list where I got some of my equipment and some of the places that I buy my t-shirts and vinyl and things from. See you next time. Bye. You're strong.